Hi, I'm trying to explain the problem I've been having with my Mini Cooper S. It's a 2007. I've been having a check engine light come on, and I've been getting a code CCID 97, which I looked up, and it looks like it's been the gas cap seal or gasket. So I purchased a new one. This is the old one, what it looks like, and the green seal there. And the new one, which I talked to the guy at the parts counter, said they've changed the style of it in a thicker gasket, and even the bottom side of the gas cap has been changed. So all the rough idling that it's been doing seems to solve the problem. So all you guys that think that it could be the fuel pump, I think it just might be the gas cap. Thanks.